reacting to funny videos. Hey everybody, today we're reacting to funny videos. No, skip that. We're reacting to funny sounds. Now here are the funny sounds. Here's some rules in this video. 1, don't even think about subscription. But anyways, subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if we reach 100K likes, I'll probably make another video, okay? I don't know, but it's up to you guys if you guys want me. Okay, guys. So first we got is I don't know, guys. Oh, found it, guys. It's called, I found it, guys. It's called, I think it's called, Why Are You Gay? But this one.
We bring in the studio this morning one of
There's no freaking video to watch, guys. Okay, guys. I think I'm watching a video that has no freaking video that comes. Okay. This time, what we have? We got, found it. We got the chicken wing beat. Here it is.
The one and only hefty load and carry.
It's
Flex
an
your
ad.
handles for an easy load.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies.
Hey, homie, does this bass hit different, or is it just me? No, it definitely hits different. I can't wait for the second bass drop.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni.
Pay my nose. Just shut up.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies.
Sheesh, this Ricky desktop guy is really up to something, huh?
What happened, guys? Alright. Is you forgot your mayonnaise again. This is SpongeBob. But we're actually watching SML! Jeffy. Junior. Scooter. No. Okay, here's some funny sounds in this video. You might not want to hear it, but whatever. I know these funny sounds, but I'm not gonna give it to. Oh shoot! But I'm not gonna give it to you. Anyways, let's start. Ow, ow, my eye. Oh my god. Oh, let's start.
Creeper.
I don't know if you don't know this, but that sound was actually cool, guys. What's this?
It's the dream.
What is it? That was 4 years ago. What is that? 2015. That's 1 year ago. That's almost 1 year ago. I can actually see it because brain thoughts are in my head. I can actually hear them with the thoughts in my head. What time is it? Oh, it's
New Advil dual action with acetaminophen.
No
Fights
ad.
pain in 2 ways.
It's 10% on this phone. My percent is all weird. You reposted. Okay. Nope. 531 Bobucks. Let's try this. I'm almost on 1%. Oh no. Decking the house with Zach King. Let's go. Is there any captions on? Hold on, let's find the captions. Nope, no captions. What's it on? December 24, 2015. Dude, that's right after Christmas. December 25th, 2019 is on Christmas. And on Halloween, it's October 31, 2018. So 2018 and 2019, when Halloween and Christmas start, is, like, almost gonna end for the year. Like what I'm saying, Christmas is gonna be soon. Everyone wants to have presents, but Santa just doesn't bring them. Now I got a question for Santa watching this video. Hey Santa, are you able to give me presents even if I'm a good boy and not a bad boy, or else I don't get presents and you hate me and I get mad and start cursing, crying, and whatever? He said, guys, yeah, 100% yes. Okay, guys, let's start playing this video. Oh wait, before I gotta check what's in my electric chair. My electric chair is at the automatic corner. Beep-a 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 beep-a. That's my lyric update. Alright guys, let's start playing Decking the Halls with Zach King, okay? That's it. Next one is another Christmas video. It's called December 22, 2016. 2016 is, like 4 years ago. But whatever. Kids these days, 11 years ago, have a Merry Christmas! Exclamation mark. Another Christmas, but it's on December 22, 2016. Dude, December 25th, 2016 is Christmas. That's not even Christmas. Why are you dressing up in no year such in Christmas? Okay, here. It says, do you believe in Santa? Okay, here.
Pull back, don't pull back. We heard Santa's not real.
What? Who told you that? Of course Santa's real. Here, I'll show you. Step back, step back. You ready? See, I told you Santa was real.
Where's your beard?
Right here.
He actually looks weird.
Looks fake.
Alright. I think that's the last video. Oh wait, no, we have another video. Come on, let's how does his dad, let's see if there's oh no, there's no video in that. Okay, let's see.
Oh, she is my girl.
That's funny. Quick updates. Thank you. Is it recording?